following counties in New Jersey, Trenton, and Somerset. Flood warning in effect until 9:15 p.m. this evening. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of northern New Jersey, including the following counties, Trenton and Somerset. When? Until 9:15 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 5:03 p.m., the water level on the Neshannock River at Reeville was rising from earlier rainfall. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. For Neshannock at Reeville, at 4:45 p.m. the stage was 6.96 feet. Flood stage is 6.5 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The